Hi, and welcome to this 6-week core challenge. So over the next 6 weeks, what we're going to do is we're going to start with week 1, we're going to start working on stability, and then we're going to move into different areas to challenge the core over the course of the next 6 classes. The idea with these classes is that you follow along either once a week, twice a week, or 3 times a week, depending on your level and depending on how used you are to work in the core. Every week when they're going to start to build up with a slightly different theme, the intensity as we move through these 6 weeks. So at the end of 6 weeks, we have more control, we have more conditioning, we're stronger, and we're able to control the core in different areas with different asanas. The idea is this becomes a foundation to subsequent progressions. Thank you for joining me.